Hello guys, welcome to another math lesson from the Brown's Math Center. Today, we'll be focusing on adding and subtracting integers using manipulatives. In reality, for a magnet, we know that one side is called the South Pole, and the other side is called the North Pole. If you should put those together, they will attract. However, if you put a South Pole and a South Pole together, they will push apart. Also, if you put a North Pole and a North Pole together, they will push apart. Now, what we're about to do is to use the same concept to simplify expressions. Before we move ahead to simplify expressions, let us explore a little bit more. Now, as you can see, I have negatives and positives. Now, to pair these out, I would have a negative going with a positive. And if I keep going, I have more negatives going with positives. And what I have left are two negatives that cannot go together. To look at this from a mathematical perspective, to simplify this expression, negative 5 plus 3, then I would have, again, negative pairing out with positives. And what I have left are two negatives. Hence, negative 5 plus 3 equal to negative 2. Let us look at this same question another way. What if I switch around my negatives with my positive to have it this way? It simply means that this expression, negative 5 plus 3, can also be switched around to be plus 3 minus 5. In reality, you don't have to put a positive in front of this term since there are no other term to the left of this positive 3. Hence, it can be written as 3 minus 5. Apply the same principle. Then you have positives pairing out with negatives, and the result is negative 2. To look at another example, negative 5 minus 3, to represent that, there you go. Now, can we pair out negative with another negative? No. Hence, what I have remaining here, the negative 8. Look at this example. 5 plus 3. To represent this, there you go. Now, can we pair out positives with other positives? No. Hence, what I have remaining are 8 positives. Hence, 5 plus 3, as you know, equal 8. Let us look at this expression, negative 2 plus 9 minus 3. To represent this, then you have 2, positive 9, negative 3. Now, to pair out, we have positive going with negatives. And there you go. So my answer is positive 4. There you have it. Adding and subtracting integers using manipulatives. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe to the Brown Math Musical channel for more videos and math songs. You can use the link. Until then, see you next time.